to my Jeep update. I'm finding some issues with my front end suspension and preparing for transmission service. And this is my Jeep update morning. It's about 8 o'clock Sunday, September 3rd. Okay, preparing to do some transmission work, and I'm making some adjustments to the suspension, checking and making adjustments. I'm glad I did. Now, the last time that I drove this thing several days ago, I noticed I had a little bit of a vibration in my steering wheel. Not much, not a shimmy. I felt a vibration I never had before. And I was checking down here on the right front passenger side. And I did find a couple of issues. Number one, let's see, I can't even remember the names of all these components, even though I replaced them about a year and a half ago. Anyway, this nut here was loose, very loose. Wasn't even finger tight. So I tightened. And I noticed I had some play here and here in this area. And so I went ahead and I tightened this nut down, and I tightened this one and this one. And I got that play out of there because I did have some play. That's another thing I need to do is when I'm checking my suspension, I need to recheck torque on all of these because some of them I may have missed. Easy for me. So anyway, that's one of the things I'll be doing, but I'm preparing to start servicing my transmission. I've got a kit including a filter, transducer, solenoid, shift solenoid, and whatever else came in the several components came in that kit, and I will be changing all that out, including the fluid. But anyway, that's what I'll be working on the next couple of days, maybe longer. Transmission service, checking and making adjustments to my suspension. You can see I put my zone sway bar links in there. I just put those in a few days ago. So anyway, I'm hoping that I did rotate my tires. I was thinking maybe I had a tire out of balance, but that didn't make any difference when I went for the next drive. I still had to have a little vibration that was in my steering I've never had before. It's always been smooth. So hopefully, maybe that will take care of that. I don't know. We'll find out. Anyway, I'll get back with you if any progress. I do plan on working today. That's my Jeep.